So, hello and welcome to a new video. Today I will be doing XLBS challenge 576. So I hope to do in this 10 video series a lot more XL sports cases, but as I'm running out of time, I think those will be here postponed. But as you should know or mark in your calendar, on Saturday I will bring up at the here 9th, because is it the 9th? Oh, it's probably the 10th, so Sunday. Sorry for that. I will bring up a video about my LAMBDA collection, and I will also share my LAMBDA collection publicly. So stay tuned and subscribe there. And yeah, wait for Sunday. So Sunday it is, where I will release my LAMBDA collection. So let's jump right into the challenge. Sort the consonants in given sentences while keeping the vowels where they are. So, what are vowels? Um, yeah, you. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Vowels where they are. Okay. Sort consonant. So let's then, as for sentence and mid, so sp mid as sequence, then of s sp. So here I have the words, and now need to we will do this with something with here. And then vowels are I, U, filter sp if. So now we will make here is text from sp. So those are also true. Trim from sp. No. So sp unequal this. Yeah, so to get rid of those spaces, or where the spaces are, and not ISNUMBER search for sp in vowel. So if this isn't a vowel, then I want to multiply this with. So when here, yeah, where the 1 is, this character needs to stay there. Where 0 is, the character needs to stay there. So the e and the space and so on. And otherwise, it will be here different. Yep. Let's do this. So this is n for number, and then I need to go if n equal. So if n is 1, no. First sort the vowels. Sort. So filter for sp in after n. So if n is 1, this isn't a vowel. It's a consonant, and then sort this. Look at this O. Yeah, this should be fine. And then I need to do a scan starting from 0 for n. Use here our eta-reduced lambdas. And then we're getting there a list. And what I now do is use an if function. If n is something, then I want to have index of SO of our sorted thing SC, otherwise I want to have SP. And now, yeah, should be fine. Concat this, concat this, and map this, and then we're ready. Lambda S, erase the S here, close the brackets, compare it, and we're good to go. So what did we do here? We splitted those things, and then we looked if it's a space, it should stay at the same position, and if it's like an yeah, we can also erase here the things here. Yeah, if it's a space and if it's like a vowel, then it should be at the same space. And this is checking if something isn't a vowel, so if something is a consonant, and this should check if something isn't a space. So it both needs to be true then to get the 1. Then we filtered for all the consonants and sorted them, and then we did here a scanning sum, so to get like the because we need to sort them to get like the how much consonants appeared before, and then we use this here in an index function. So if we have here a consonant, then we're doing an index in this consonant sorted consonants list after those running consonant number. And otherwise we bring in either the vowel or the space. We concatenated everything and mapped all those sentences in. So this was kind of a cool challenge, a bit of text manipulation. Can now bring this in here, and we're good to go. Also cool bow, always a pleasure. Yeah, kind of the same as Rick. So yeah, thank you for your attention. I hope to see you on the next one, and looking forward to seeing you in the video on Sunday about lambdas or my lambdas. Thank you. Bye.